Pool plumbing tip, when backwashing, usually I do it for around 40 seconds or until the sight glass right here is showing clear water. Right now it's still dirty, so for now I'm still backwashing. It's going out over there. We need a longer hose, but that's for later. But see, now it's starting to clear up, so I'm gonna give it a few more seconds before I turn off the pump and then put this to rinse to get the dirty water that's still in the pipe out. And then I turn back the pump off again, obviously before you go to filter.